Locally in our city of Victoria, where the White Hat studio is located, there have been some concerning robberies involving buying and selling of used PlayStations, ending in a robbery at gunpoint. We thought this would be an opportunity to create a video about general buying and selling safety tips on the internet. As for the story that prompted this, at least 2 active robberies and a few buyers have reported having also planned with meeting somebody at the exact same location to buy a used PlayStation. When the buyer connected with the seller, instead of a PlayStation, the seller pulled a gun on the buyer and stole the cash intended to buy the item. I love online used shopping. There are great deals. If you are looking to build a good computer, you can find some used yet still powerful, only a few year-old parts for cheap. If you are buying or selling something online, here are some safety tips to think about when you're going to do your purchase. Meet sellers and buyers in publicly lit public places with people around that are likely to have surveillance cameras like shopping malls, public libraries, or other municipal buildings in your area. The story that sparked this video, the transaction all took in places that were residential with little to no public traffic. Conduct the financial transaction by e-transfer instead of carrying cash. If the objective is to rob you as a buyer, cash is what they're looking for. E-transfers are traceable. And bring a friend or a family member with you. Safety in numbers has always been a great safety tool. If a deal is too good, consider its legitimacy. Now, this does not mean it is a scam. There are situations when sellers need money quick and will sell items at very cheap prices to get cash quickly. But do be cautious. And do not give out personal banking information such as social insurance numbers or bank account numbers or your address over the internet. Some local police detachments have emphasized it is totally cool to transact the trade or sale in front of their building or even in their lobby. Some cities have even set up a buy and sell exchange location you might want to meet your potential contact at. Also consider the platform you are buying from. Some local buying and selling websites account setup and verification only needs an active email. It is super easy to make, hypothetically, an unlimited number of scam accounts if all you need to create an account is an email. Services like Facebook Marketplace might be a more ideal situation, as generally folks buying and selling are using their personal Facebook accounts. Although not impossible to create a fake Facebook account, given Meta's data mining and profiling activity, it is more challenging. Plus, there is some social pressure to make fair and not scammy trades if you're communicating with somebody on your actual personal Facebook page with your photo and identity and your history there. Because if you make a bad trade, you can easily be found out. And then if something does go wrong, get yourself to a safe place and call 911. Buying used is a great way to save money and reduce trash. But use some common sense and stay safe. I'm Brandon from The White Hatter. Have a great time online and stay safe.